As the stars twinkle brightly in the sky and the world settles into a peaceful slumber, there's a little something bubbly happening. It might be a small hiccup or a soft rumble. Yes, it's a burp. Let's get cozy and giggle as we learn some fun facts about these bubbly, natural burps before drifting off to sleep. Fact 1. The Everyday Burp. Did you know that everyone burps? It's true. Burps happen when you swallow air while eating, drinking, or even talking. Your tummy needs to let that extra air out, so up it comes as a burp. Most people burp a few times a day, and it's nothing to worry about, just your body saying, "Excuse me." Fact 2. The Speedy Burp. Ever wondered how fast a burp can travel? Well, a burp can come out of your mouth at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. It's like a little race car zooming out after a delicious meal. So, the next time you burp, imagine it's a tiny speedster making its way to the finish line. Fact 3. The Squeaky Belch. Burps can sound different depending on how much air is in your tummy and how quickly it escapes. Some burps are big and boisterous, while others are just a tiny squeak. It's like your own personal sound machine, making different tunes every time. Fact 4. The Fizzy Drink Burp. Do you love fizzy drinks? Well, they're famous for making you burp. That's because fizzy drinks are filled with carbon dioxide bubbles. When you drink them, those bubbles make their way into your tummy and create the perfect conditions for a big, satisfying burp. Fact 5. The Animal Burpers. Did you know animals burp too? Cows, for example, burp a lot, sometimes even more than they fart. All those burps help them digest their food, so burping is just as important for them as it is for us. So, the next time you see a cow, just imagine it letting out a big, bubbly burp. Fact 6. The Helpful Burp. Burps aren't just silly, they're helpful too. They help release extra air from your tummy, making you feel more comfortable. So, every time you burp, just remember it's your body's way of saying, "Thanks for the good work." As the night deepens and you snuggle under your blankets, remember that even the smallest, silliest things like burps have a special place in our lives. Good night, little burper. May your dreams be filled with bubbles and joy. Sleep tight, and remember, a little burp now and then is just your tummy's way of giving you a bubbly high five. Good night, buddies.